Well, I'll show you this Aynsley 8 1/8 inch dessert or salad plate. Late production this with the description on the back. Let me show you that, because these are the large green Aynsley crown marks, fine bone china made in England, and then Pembroke reproduction of an 18th century Aynsley design. They were using this for marketing towards the end of production, late 20th century, early 21st. They're slightly smaller than the 8.25 inch earlier dessert plates without that mark on. These are 8 1/8 inch, so do carefully check the widest diameter across. Classic Pembroke design with the bluebird in the chinoise peony sort of blossom tree design with 3 blocks of rim pattern, and then the little festooned detailing all the way around this plain rim with gilt. We've got a stack of 6 of these, and they're all in very fine mint condition, not being used at all, I don't think, just used for display or as a collection. So nice late Aynsley Pembroke fine bone china made in England, 8 1/8 inch dessert plates, available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Link below will take you directly through to the listing for these desserts. We're listing 6 at the initial listing time. Thanks for watching.